program.
On behalf of the government and people of Samoa, I would like to acknowledge your presence today on this momentous occasion. The signing ceremony this morning marks the deployment of Chinese medical teams to Samoa to provide professional and medical services, to build capacity and provide supplies of medicine, equipment, and materials to the hospitals and people of Samoa. This is a significant contribution provided by the government of the People's Republic of China to complement the efforts by the government of Samoa to address the shortage of medical doctors in Samoa in a number of specializations, increase opportunities for capacity building, and to equip the hospitals for services delivery throughout the country. China continues to make significant contributions to developments in the health sector. The construction of the new hospital, office premises, and facilities reflects China's responsiveness to address Samoa's needs for a healthy population. I take this opportunity to thank the government of the People's Republic of China for its generous support and contribution to the development of Samoa in the last 42 years since the establishment of diplomatic relationships between our two countries. I thank you also, Ambassador, Your Excellency, and staff for your hard work and efforts in promoting the close relations between Samoa and China. We look forward to working closely with the Chinese medical teams to Samoa. I wish them all the best, and I hope that they will enjoy their time working in the health sector in Samoa. Thank you.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is with great pleasure that I come to attend the signing ceremony of the agreement in relation on the Chinese medical team to work in Samoa. First of all, on behalf of the Chinese Embassy, I would like to express my sincere thanks to the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade, as well as all those both from China and Samoa who have made consistent efforts which has made the signing of this agreement a reality. After the signing of this agreement, the 15th medical team will soon be dispatched to Samoa by the Chinese government to work at the Tupua Tamasese Mea Ole Hospital. This medical team from Jilin province of North China will be sent in 4 batches in the course of 2 years, which each batch comprising of 6 medical professionals. The Chinese medical team will provide professional medical services in the Department of Neurosurgery, Urology, Traumatic Orthopedics, Cardiology, ophthalmology, endocrinology, dermatology, otolaryngology, pathology, nephrology. So difficult for me to pronounce these special departments. Internal medicine and acute care and other departments respectively. Besides medical services, the Chinese medical team will also provide clinical training, lectures and seminars for both staff members of the